Alright, this is the first start out on the lake here, and idling around. Your tachometer's not working correctly, but running around 750 RPM, which is your idle spec. A little hard starting, but once it gets going and the choke opens up, the engine idles down and runs really good. That's pretty common with older four cylinders. They're usually a little bit rough until they warm up and choke opens up, then they calm down. So that's where we're at. Shifting forward, neutral, reverse works great. Adjusted perfectly. You have like no gas in here, so I'm not gonna test this too long here so I don't run out of gas. But here's the first start. Power. Trim gauge works. Always start with it all the way down if it's deep enough. And then you can trim it up as you go along. Once again, back down to idle, no stalling. Now your cold start won't start that easy. You'll have to advance your throttle and pump the accelerator pump to get it going, but once it's running and warmed up, it fires right up. Okay, and once again, from a dead stop, full throttle. No hesitation. Pick up some more speed, pull it back. Steering's a little stiff, but not bad. Seems pretty decent for driving. I'd say the throttle and shift are a whole lot more stiff than the steering. Not really a concern. I topped off the fluid. I would assume that you're going to have to always just top off your fuel when you're done using the boat, because your gauge isn't working. That way you know you're always full. You could go out all day, couple days probably, on a tank of fuel. So. That's that.